My battery's about to die. My camera literally sucks. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do, I'm gonna remove all my gauges off and take that with me. And then like as soon as I should get some camera by the time I take all this stuff out. So I'm not gonna waste that much time taking these out and showing you guys how to take them out because it's plain and simple. But then I'll bring it over there to that desk. So I'm gonna go ahead and set my camera down and put it in charge. So yeah. Oh yeah, and make sure you always disconnect your battery. So disconnect that thing. Alright, so went ahead and took out that pod. By the way, you can get this at GlowShift too. I got this from GlowShift. It comes with the 2 screws and everything. And it literally just mounts right there. As you can see, I made my little hole right there. And this is where I had the wire coming through. Actually gotta take this stuff out. No, this is actually the cap. And I just bolted it here. I kind of messed up a couple times when I was doing it, but it'll mount in right there. Also, I went ahead and got this from them. It basically has everything set up so you can just connect your fuse and it goes into your fuse box. But since I'm only gonna be, like I said, let me show you guys real quick. We're gonna do the boost first. So for the boost, alright, say like this is gonna be on the top. Let's just say this is gonna be the top or the bottom, I don't care. It's gonna be the bottom for me. All you're gonna do, alright, you plug it in here from what the direction says, right? And this, is gonna connect to the wires that I have around there. Black is your ground, red is for I think when you turn the key, and white is constant power, and your orange is for I think whenever if you want to dim your lights. For me, I'm not gonna do the dimming lights because for some reason in my truck, and I don't know what the problem is. So all I'm doing is this is where it's actually getting all the all the wires that goes to my fuse block, and then this one just connects. I think it's here. Hopefully I don't lose all the stuff that I got in here, because I will. I have so much stuff. This would go here. Alright. So I gotta go ahead and take out the dash, well, not the dash, but all this right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove all that crap out. Hooked it up to the previous one. It's just plug and play, nothing serious. Morning, everybody. All right, so I had to stop the video yesterday, plus my video kind of stopped. I'm probably going to show you guys partial of it, of what was going on yesterday, but there was something I didn't finish up wiring up the truck, the wires. So I had to I went back, like I don't know if you probably might not even hear it, but I had to go back and take too much excessive wiring. Like I said, I don't like having too many wires. I'm not a fanatic of wiring at all. So I have all this, and this is gonna probably end up being a 1 video or 2 video. I really wanted to be a 2 video, but I have everything connected. I had to just test out everything. Everything works, which is good. Don't mind this. This is just me. I was just testing out everything before I plug everything back in there, like I did yesterday. And I kind of accidentally cut my cord for my the wire that goes to the, how you call it, the microphone. But we'll fix that. Simple fix. So now I'm going to try to, I'm going to make a new harness. I took up that old harness and I'm going to make a new one from fresh start. I'm using, I think it's an 18 gauge wire. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and start doing that. I'm going to stop wasting time because it's just too much talking. But I'm going to go ahead and show you guys exactly where transmission port, well, for me, it's simple and easy because I just got me a new power driven diesel transmission. So it's going to go right there. For the fuel pump, since I have an air dog, it's gonna go right there. That's for my fuel pump. It's right here. The water temp probe right here. I had to go to Home Depot to get a I think this is a 1/2 inch, so it can fit the 1/8 MPT. And then for my exhaust manifold, which is over here, I had to do I had to tap that one in there. But for the new how you call it, the new exhaust manifold I'm gonna put in there after we do I gotta put some ARP bolts also on there. But the new one has a self tap in already section. And for the turbo, I don't know if you guys can see it, it's too much sunlight. It's like somewhere in there, you see it right there? It's just behind this bracket right here. Gotta take it out, and it goes right behind here. I already tested on everything. The gauges work perfectly fine. I gotta wait till my old pressure comes in, so I'm just gonna leave that in there so it doesn't look like I have one eyeball missing or something. Now that looks way better than all the wire that was all over the place. It goes down, feeds into there, and look, now everything's fine. Now whenever I get this new gauge, you know, run the wire down through there and out. So that looks a lot more cleaner. I might end up putting some tape or something on there. But yeah, awesome.